Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to find your Instagram account password on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. So if you're on the latest iOS and you want to find your Instagram password on your iPhone, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you're going to go ahead and open up your settings. Next, you want to scroll down until you see apps. Now from here, go ahead and find the password app. So this is where you'll find it. Tap on it. Now from here, scroll down until you see open passwords. Now go ahead and show your face. This will verify through Face ID. Now from here, search for Instagram. And as you can see, I've got two accounts. So go ahead and tap on the one that you need. And now to see the password, go ahead and tap on the password section. And this will now open up the password and will show you what your password is. Now once you're done, close the app. And now you know how to find your Instagram password on your iPhone. So there you go, guys. That is how to find your Instagram account password on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.